With the new year in full swing, the buzz surrounding Samsung's upcoming Galaxy S25 series is reaching a fever pitch, especially with leaks and rumors about the S25 Ultra circulating every day. Today, we're diving deep into the latest developments and what we can expect from the next generation of Samsung's flagship. Brace yourself for powerful insights, including benchmark results, design details, and cutting-edge features that could make the Galaxy S25 Ultra the phone to beat in 2025. First, let's talk about what's powering the Galaxy S25 Ultra under the hood. If you've been following the leaks, you probably know that Samsung has officially made the switch to Qualcomm's Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset for the Galaxy S25 lineup, marking a significant departure from its usual reliance on Exynos chips. The reason? Well, Samsung's foundry faced some yield issues with its 3 in production process, making the XL2500 chipset too risky for their flagship phones this time around. But don't worry, this change isn't a downgrade. In fact, the Snapdragon 8 Elite is the overclocked version tailored for Galaxy devices. Recently, the Galaxy S25 Ultra's performance was tested in Geekbench 6, and the results are impressive. The overclocked Snapdragon 8 Elite features 2 high-performance CPU cores clocked at 4.47 GHz, significantly higher than the standard Snapdragon 8 Elite's 4.32 GHz. This increase, though seemingly small, gives the Galaxy S25 Ultra a noticeable performance boost, ensuring that it will handle anything you throw at it, from high-end gaming to seamless multitasking. So, if you've been wondering whether the S25 Ultra can keep up with the competition, the answer is yes. It's going to be a powerhouse. But what does this mean for you as a user? Expect blazing fast speeds and smooth performance, no matter what apps or games you're using. But performance isn't the only thing that's going to make the S25 Ultra a standout. We've had a closer look at the design, and this year, Samsung is introducing some subtle yet impactful changes. Leaked renders and CAD designs show that the Galaxy S25 Ultra will feature a sleek, flat-edged design inspired by the iPhone. The frame is now slightly rounded for a more ergonomic feel, making it comfortable for long sessions of use. The camera design is also getting a makeover, with the rear camera rims getting a more refined look, which adds to the overall aesthetic of the device. You'll have a choice of 4 stunning titanium finishes: titanium blue, titanium black, titanium gray, and titanium white silver, with exclusive colors available directly from Samsung's website. This means not only are you getting cutting-edge tech, but you're also getting a phone that's designed to look and feel premium. On the display front, the S25 Ultra is set to feature a stunning 6.9-inch QHD plus AMOLED screen. This display isn't just big, it's packed with technology that takes screen brightness to new heights. Rumors suggest that the S25 Ultra could achieve an unprecedented 3,000 nits of peak brightness, which would make outdoor visibility in direct sunlight a non-issue. This will be a game changer for those who love to watch content or use their phones outdoors. Pair that with Corning Gorilla Armor Glass for enhanced durability, and you've got a screen that's both stunning and tough, making the S25 Ultra not just a beauty to behold, but a phone that's built to last. Now let's move on to the cameras, because this is where things get really exciting. The Galaxy S25 Ultra is rumored to feature a 5-lens camera setup that combines the best of both worlds: Sony's INX sensors and Samsung's ISO-CEL technology. The primary camera is set to sport an impressive 200MP ISO-CEL AHP2 sensor, delivering incredibly detailed shots. This will be complemented by a 50MP ultrawide lens and a 50MP telephoto lens with 3x optical zoom. Plus, for those long-distance shots, there's also a periscope lens with 5x optical zoom, which means that no matter where you're standing, you'll be able to get clear, crisp shot. Whether you're shooting wide landscapes or zooming in for a detailed close-up, the S25 Ultra will have you covered. The selfie camera isn't left out either, as it will be equipped with a 12MP sensor, giving you high-quality selfies with impressive detail and color accuracy. As we continue to learn more about the S25 Ultra, we're also hearing rumors about an exciting new feature: car crash detection. This life-saving sensor could potentially detect accidents using the phone's motion sensors and AI algorithms, giving the device the ability to alert emergency services if you're involved in a crash. While we're still waiting for official confirmation, this feature could make the S25 Ultra one of the safest smartphones on the market. Could this be the future of smartphone safety? Samsung seems to think so. And for those wondering about the battery, Samsung isn't cutting corners here. The S25 Ultra is expected to come with a 5,000 mAh battery, which will be paired with 45 mAh fast charging. This means you'll be able to power up quickly and stay connected throughout the day, no matter how demanding your usage is. As for storage, the S25 Ultra will offer up to 1 TB of internal storage, giving you plenty of room for all your apps, photos, videos, and more. Plus, with a smooth 120Hz refresh rate, this phone will provide a fluid and responsive experience that will make everything feel seamless, whether you're scrolling, gaming, or multitasking. Before we wrap up, let's talk about the official release date for the Galaxy S25 series. It's been confirmed that the S25 lineup, including the Ultra model, will officially launch on February 7, 2025, though we'll likely get a sneak peek during the Galaxy Unpacked event on January 22. With pre-orders expected to begin shortly after the announcement, you'll have the opportunity to get your hands on the S25 Ultra early, with potential perks like discounts and trade-in offers. But of course, pricing will be a factor, and with rising production costs, there are still questions about how Samsung will balance affordability with the high-end specs of the S25 series. So what do you think of the Galaxy S25 Ultra? Are you as excited as we are for the powerful new features and design upgrades? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like and subscribe for more updates on the S25 series and other tech news. Trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next.